Will, I know you have a story you want to talk about. You've been talking about it all day. You were like, Lou, get through your stuff quickly. I'm sick of it. You're tapping your foot over there. I'm like, hey, man, I got important stuff to cover here. And Will's just moving me along because he's got the story of the day, according to him. So I'm just going to back up. I'm just going to back up now. His story is the story. Let's see what you got, Will.
So usually the most interesting is science stories. And this caught my attention mainly because of the title. So the title is Robo-Fish Powered by Battery Blood.
Is that clickbait, Will? Did they just clickbait you?
I totally got clickbaited.
That's fine. If you deliver on it, so be it.
So a team built this robotic fish, and it kind of looks like a lionfish. I don't know if you've seen a lionfish. It looks pretty cool. It has like a lot of gills and a lot of fins. Mm-hmm. But it's a fish that they built that has a vascular system that runs battery fluid. So it has 2 pumps inside, and apparently the reason for this is that they can run the fish for a longer period of time. So it could stay in water, it could keep on swimming, and just do fish things.
Where does the battery blood come from?
It circulates through the
Oh,
fish.
okay.
Yeah.
So it's not getting any new battery blood. It's just whatever it has inside of it to begin with.
It's a way to kind of mimic the human vascular system. And, it's supposed to help the fish stay like longer swimming.
It looks a little dead though there, Will. It's not really looking too happy.
Yeah, it's very like slow moving. The fins don't move a lot.
Yeah.
Mainly because the pumps are just pumping really, really slow. But it's a way to preserve like the energy of the fish. And I think the reason why they're doing this, or the way that I think of it, is like if they want to do like deep space or deep ocean exploration, they can have like this fish or a couple fish down in the ocean for a longer period of time and be able to like record some sort of findings and stuff like that, instead of like having a submarine dive there for like an hour and, resurface.
Willy do, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Willy do.
Apparently it could stay for like 3 times longer because it has this vascular system. So it's kind of cool.
His idea. Now what you can do, deep sea exploration. Before, no. Now, yes. Connecting the dots. You might have just saved the world, Will.
Yeah. Well, the ocean is still very
It's
undiscovered.
deep.
There's still a lot of species down there,
You just saved the world.
Yeah. Well,
one story at a time. So fine, your story's the best. There you go.
Thumbnail.
You're out here saving the world. That's cool. Yeah. Look, man. Energy sources. That's what it's about. That's the future. Like everyone's trying to tackle it in different ways. Battery tech. What can we do? How long before a recharge? Is there a way around it? What is the alternative energy source? Is it going to be solar? Right. Is it going to be something else? Could it be hydrogen? And so these types of experiments have massive implications for usage elsewhere, potentially to get it to work in this one environment. Maybe it lines up with some other tech somewhere else, and then who knows what it can lead to. So very cool. You're the robot guy, Will. Robot or AI, you're in. Robot, AI, deep fake, Sir Willy do.
Yeah.